In this video, we are going to cover the top 50 important MCQs on the Indian Constitution and Constituent Assembly. Let's start with our first question. Which year was the Constituent Assembly of India established? Correct answer is 1946. On what basis was the Constituent Assembly constituted? Correct answer is Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. Where was the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly held? Correct answer is New Delhi. Who among the following first proposed the idea of a Constituent Assembly in 1934? Correct answer is M.N. Roy. What was the total number of members in the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is 389. Out of the total membership of 389, how many representatives were from the princely states? Correct answer is 93. What was the number of members in the Indian Constituent Assembly after the partition? Correct answer is 299. When were the elections for the Constituent Assembly held in India? Correct answer is July 1946. When did the Cabinet Mission arrive in Delhi? Correct answer is 24th March 1946. Who prepared the initial draft of the Indian Constitution in February 1948? Correct answer is Benigal Narsingh Rao. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. When did the Constituent Assembly pass or adopt the Constitution of India? Correct answer is 26th November 1949. When was the Constitution of India formally inaugurated? Correct answer is 26th January 1950. By whom was the original Constitution of India handwritten in English? Correct answer is Prem Bihari Narayan Raijada. Who designed the borders of every page of the Constitution and decorated it with artworks? Correct answer is Nandalal Bose. Who presented the objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly on 13th December 1946? Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. From which state of India was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar elected to the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is West Bengal. Who was the only Muslim woman in the Constituent Assembly of India? Correct answer is Begum Aijaz Rasool. What was the total number of female members in the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is 15. Who was the chairman of the Minority Subcommittee of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is H.C. Mukherjee. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is Dr. B.N. Rao. How many readings of the Constitution were held in the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is 3. How much time was taken by the Constituent Assembly to finalize the Constitution? Correct answer is 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Who was the last British Governor-General to address the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is Lord Mountbatten. Who said that the Constituent Assembly was essentially a one-party body in a one-party country, the Assembly was the Congress, and the Congress was India? Correct answer is Granville Austin. Which of the following was the Secretary of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is H.V.R. Iyengar. When did the Constituent Assembly constitute the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is 29th August 1947. Which animal was adopted as the emblem of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is elephant. How many members of the Constituent Assembly signed the Constitution after its final passage? Correct answer is 284. How are the members of the Constituent Assembly of Undivided India selected? Correct answer is indirect election. Representatives from which princely state did not participate in the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is Hyderabad. For how many days did the 11 sessions of the Constituent Assembly last? Correct answer is 165 days. How many members were there in the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is 7. Who was appointed as a member of the drafting committee after the death of D.P. Khaitan? Correct answer is T.T. Krishnamachari. Who was the chairman of the Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights and Minorities of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who presided over the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. Who is known as the architect of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which state had the highest membership of 55 in the Constituent Assembly 31st December 1947? Correct answer is United Provinces. Who are the members of the Constituent Assembly that enacted the Constitution of India? Correct answer is elected by the legislative assemblies of various provinces. When did the Muslim League join the interim government under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru? Correct answer is 26th October 1946. When was Dr. Rajendra Prasad elected as the permanent chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is December 1946. When was the objective resolution proposed by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru accepted by the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is 22nd January 1947. How many committees were constituted by the Constituent Assembly for drafting the Constitution? Correct answer is 22. Which of the following first envisaged a Constituent Assembly to frame a constitution for India? Correct answer is Swaraj Party. Who said, "I believe that separate electorates would be suicidal for minorities" during the Constituent Assembly debates on 27th August 1947? Correct answer is Govind Ballabh Pant. How many major committees were there in the Constituent Assembly of India? Correct answer is 8. Who was the first chairman of the Union Powers Committee and the States Committee of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first chairman of the Order of Business Committee of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is K. M. Mushi. Who are the vice presidents of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is H. C. Mukherjee and V. T. Krishnamachari. When did the Constituent Assembly adopt the national flag? Correct answer is 22nd July 1947.